Hey everyone! Are you looking for the new easiest way to make money online in 2025? Then stop scrolling, because what I'm about to share with you could be the easiest work-from-home job you've ever seen. Let me introduce you to Save Club, a brand new platform that's still in pre-launch and it's already creating serious buzz. Save Club is all about giving people cash back on everyday purchases, and the best part, you get paid when others join and use it too. It's simple, affordable, and best of all, residual income. Now, here's where it gets even better. You might be wondering, how do I get people to actually see this? Before I tell you, please like and subscribe to the channel. So, how do I get people to actually see all my offers? Well, that's where Sparky AI comes in. Sparky is a powerful marketing automation tool that does 90% of the work for you. It delivers fresh leads, follows up with them, and directs traffic to your income streams, including Save Club, which I personally add into my Sparky funnel. So what does that mean for you? It means this entire process is basically passive. You set it up once, and Sparky keeps your business moving day after day. This combination of Sparky and Save Club is a perfect formula if you're chasing time freedom. No more grinding on social media all day or stressing about cold messages. You focus on living your life, and the system works in the background. There are now 7 income streams inside Sparky, and soon 3 more will be added. So if you're looking for a simple side hustle, passive income, and real automation, this is your moment. Click the link in my bio, check it out, or go to doneforyoubiz.com and start building your future with Save Club, Sparky, and many more income streams. This might just be the smartest move you make all year.